students, this is you will say that this is directly question 8. Actually question 1 to 7 are simply based on that one trigonometric ratio is given and you have to calculate other. Maybe the trigonometric ratio is given in such a form like 3 sin A equal to 4. So that's why I have taken this question, so that deal with that. And also one more important thing you have to taken care that I have done here and I expect you to do, like in the place of sin A they might given C. I will discuss one more question accordingly. Okay, first we will deal with this, like how these kind of questions can be solved. So I will explain one question. Okay, so if 3 cot A is equal to 4, so 3 cot A is equal to 4, it means cot A is equal to 4 by 3. We know that cot is a reciprocal of tan. So tan A is equal to 3 by 4. So tan is equal to opposite side by base. Like you can simply say P by B, yani perpendicular by base or opposite by adjacent. So it will be 3 and it will be 4. Okay, 3 and 4. And by Pythagoras theorem, we can know that by Pythagoras, if we are having very good command over calculation, we can know कि AC is equal to 5, Pythagoras triplet, तो ये हो गया 5. So now we have to check what tan. So tan we have calculated already here, but now we have to calculate cos and sin, and then we will make them equal and try to see whether these are equal or not. So sin is equal to sin A 3 by 5 and cos A 4 by 5. Now sin square A is equal to 3 by 5 square, 9 by 25, and cos square A is equal to 4 by 3, 4 by 5. So this will be 16 by 25. Okay, so now we have values. As we know the equations, sin square, cos square, and also we have tan. So tan square A is equal to 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. We have all three values. Now, sorry, my board is not so large, so we will keep these values. So we can erase this question. If the question is NCERT question number 8, you can keep book with you. So now we will see here, we have to find 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay, and then whether it is equal or not, cos square A minus sin square. So we will put the value over there. Tan square is 1 by 19, 9 by 6. So 9 by 6 divided 1 plus 9 by 16. Then cos square A is 9 by 25. Please don't again square. हम already square कर चुके हैं. Cos square is 16 by 25 और ये 9 by 25. ठीक है? चलो. Now we will see. यहाँ हम करेंगे तो 16 minus 9 by 16. Here 16 plus 9 by 16 is equal to equal to 7 by 25. Okay, so that we can do 7 by 16. Now we will take it up to 16 by 25. So that is also 7 by 25. Now you can easily see the left hand part and right hand part both are equal. It means 1 minus tan square a plus by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So beta, you can see this, you can try to solve it. 1-2 questions are more like this. Please do it immediately after the class, after having lunch. Okay. So now I will explain the other problem. Okay.